Hi friends, it's Karla here from Creative Love Affair, and I'm on the 7gypsies YouTube channel today, and I'm featuring the vintage canvas banner that 7gypsies has, and this is the hot air balloon design. Now they have lots of lovely banners in their store with different prints, and you can have a lot of fun just by using your Tattered Angels paints and mists and glazes to paint the beautiful designs on these canvases. So you can see in the back there's a little area on top that you could hang the banner, or I'm going to slide a wooden dowel in. And I've grabbed some mists and some Glimmer Glam glazes, and I'm just going to start painting in the images. So what I like to do is shake the mist side to side. This is the best way to shake them when they have the glimmer mixed up in them, so the glimmer mists and the chalkboard mists. And then you just open it up and dip your paintbrush right in. The canvas is really lovely for accepting the mist, and so I just grabbed a whole bunch of different ones. Now the difference between these are the baseboard and the simply sheer have no glimmer. The glimmer mist and the chalkboard mists have glimmer in them, but the chalkboard mist and baseboard mist are semi-opaque, whereas the simply sheer and the glimmer mist are translucent. So you can use any of these and they'll give you a really lovely effect on your canvas. And even with the baseboard or the chalkboard, it's semi-opaque, so it's not going to cover all the lovely detail that's printed on that. It's just going to give you more of a opaque coverage. This chalk white chalkboard paint mist is just one of my favorites because of the glimmer that's in it, and it's so beautiful. Now I'm just simply painting these colors on with a paintbrush, and I'm kind of moving to different areas because just as if you were painting on paper, if you have a wet area and you're painting a watercolor or wet paint on it, it will bleed into one another if you don't let it dry. So you can let it dry between. I also used my heat gun to dry the colors, and there was a few areas where the color did bleed a little bit into the clouds, and if I was to do this again I would probably do the clouds last so they weren't wet and then wouldn't have some color bleeding in. But I think because of the beautiful vintage look of this, that even if you do get a little bit of color blending, it's still going to look absolutely beautiful. And I took a little bit of white paint and just dabbed it over the areas that bled through. So it's certainly, you can add and layer on top. I use these Glimmer Glam paints, which are so beautiful. They're a glaze and they are thick and they're filled with glimmer and just really beautiful. So you can layer those over your paints, or you can actually paint with them. And if you heat them, they will actually bubble a bit, which also is really nice and gives a little bit more texture on your canvas as well. So for the little faces that were on the balloon, I just mixed the ivory baseboard with a little bit of pink, and the mists mix beautifully as well. So don't be afraid to mix and match your paints. They all really go together well, and you can come up with some new colors. And if you know you have the basic colors, then you can certainly mix and match to extend your palette. And here's some beautiful blue Glimmer Glam, and I'm just kind of adding little details over top to add a little bit more effect. And it's hard to tell in the video, but in real life, the beautiful glaze on this is just gorgeous. So I'm actually making this for my sister, and I gave it to her for Christmas. And of course she loved it. And she has a little gallery wall in her bedroom, and I've made her several homemade wall hangings and canvases, and so she's going to put it there. I just used a little bit of distress ink around the edge with a sponge, and the canvas just really accepts color so wonderfully. Now I'm just taking a liquid glue and laying down a couple layers of lace on top, and then I grab some beads and some gold thread, and because it's canvas you can obviously sew easily on it, and so I just added beads along to several different areas of the balloons just by picking up a bead at a time and threading it on and sewing it, hand sewing it across. Then I took a dowel and popped it through the top, and some burlap string, which I actually braided to make it a little thicker, and I just cut some lengths of some pretty yarn that had different, this one's feathered, and then there's one that has a bit different texture on it, and they just give it a really beautiful kind of gypsy look. I think that goes with the hot air balloons and the colors, and I just tied those on. So there's a look at the finished banner, and I hope you'll check out all the beautiful banners that they have in the store at the Canvas Corp brand shop. We'll link that below, and enjoy creating and have a really wonderful Happy New Year. Talk to you soon. Bye.